Do not bench press like this. This is AJAC, and this is a super common bench pressing mistake, allowing your elbows to flare and thinking that that is correct. It is not. Doing a bench press with flared elbows out to the sides puts more stress on the pec tendon, more stress on the coracoid tendon. It throws the bar path off balance, and it's a great way to injure your shoulder or tear a pectoral muscle. The proper way to bench press is to pack your shoulder blades together, externally rotate the upper arm, and then you press from this more stable position. You can see that this changes the bar path, and this puts your pectoral muscles and your anterior delts in a much better position for biomechanical leverage. You're going to get more muscle recruitment bench pressing this way. Progressive overload does apply, so does proper biomechanics. Questions or comments, please post below.